SC-105, an odor investigation on Roselle.
5 Washington Plum.
5, it'll be an inside odor investigation. FD is en route to 1156 South Roselle Road at the dialysis center for the smell of